Thank you all the distinguished dignitaries.
अब हम उस गौरवपूर्ण क्षण पर पहुंच चुके हैं जहां हम IIPM के उन महान अध्यक्षों को सम्मान अर्पित करेंगे जिन्होंने संगठन को दिशा, दृष्टि और दूरदर्शिता प्रदान की है. These stalwarts stand as the true architects of our academic legacy.
We request our dignitaries to kindly felicitate the following past presidents of IIPM. हर नाम एक परंपरा है, एक पथ प्रदर्शक शक्ति है. Dr. Anuradha Phatak, former professor and head pathology at Seth GS Medical College, Mumbai, with 50 years of experience and key expertise in endocrine, genitourinary and dermatopathology. Professor R.K. Gupta, former professor and head of pathology and dean, SGPGIMS, Lucknow, with over 50 years of distinguished service, past president of IIPM, author of 2 Springer Atlases and contributor of more than 100 publications. Dr. D.N. Lanjevar, former professor of pathology at JJ Hospital, Mumbai, and Games Budge, and past president of IIPM, an eminent pathologist with 75 publications, international research experience, and pioneering work in autopsy and infectious diseases pathology. Dr. N.C. Parija, former professor and head of oncopathology, AHPGI Cuttack, and past national president of IAPM, with more than 40 conference presentations, 20 plus publications, and decades of service across Odisha medical colleges. He continues his work as a practicing pathologist and medical director. Dr. Bishan Das Rudota, former professor of neuropathology and head of histopathology at PGIMR Chandigarh, with over 38 years of postgraduate teaching experience, a distinguished academician with more than 455 publications, past president of IAPM, and internationally recognized for his contributions to neuropathology. An alumni of Jammu, Government Medical College, Jammu.
Dr. Tejinder Singh. His name requires no introduction. We have been reading his book since our UG days.
Sir is not here.
Sir is not here due to his personal commitments. Dr. Siddharth Datta Gupta. Sir is former Dean and Professor of Pathology, AIIMS, New Delhi, Emeritus Professor of NAMS, and an internationally recognized authority in liver and GI pathology. With over 40 years of teaching, 500 plus publications, major global leadership roles, and contributions including a chapter in Robbins. He has mentored more than 180 postgraduate and doctoral scholars.
Dr. Colonel Deepak Kumar Mishra, former professor and head of pathology at Seth GS Medical College, with over 50 years of experience and significant contributions to endocrine, genitourinary, and dermatopathology, with more than 70 publications and authorship of chapter on genitourinary pathology. He has served the IAPM in multiple leadership roles: president in 2000, vice president in 1999, treasurer in 1996-98, and has been honored with the B.K. Ikat Oration and Dr. M.G. Barodia Oration.
Dr. Pradeep Vedeshwar Sir. Sir is Professor of CTVS Pathology at Seth GS Medical College and a leading specialist in cardiac and pulmonary pathology. With 267 publications, 12 book chapters, and key roles in IAPM, he has contributed extensively as faculty in 275 plus conferences and guided numerous postgraduates. Dr. Kim Wefei, Emeritus Professor NAMS and Ma'am is not here. Dr. Sharda Raju Rane, Professor and Head Pathology at BJ Medical College, Pune, with key expertise in infectious, renal and dermatopathology.
Dr. Kanaklata Dei is the former professor and head of pathology at MKCG Medical College, Brahmpur, and a senior member of IAPM. She has guided numerous postgraduate trainees and served widely as an examiner.
To all our past presidents, your leadership is our legacy, your vision is our compass. We bow in gratitude.